Appearance, material, size, color can be customized. Hello my friends, this is Catherine from Chengdu Yusinguin Company. Welcome to our factory. Now our domestic customer placed bulk order to us. Now our workers are making on this order. PLS, come on, look at this. This is our experienced worker. He is specialized in this industry for many years. He is using glue to attach the shell of the device. You can see, another work is testing the functions of this device. Now she is testing the camera. We will also make some different testings, just like music, audio and video displaying of this device. Okay, let's go. This is semi-installation process. You can see the internal structures. It is almost working process, but the real producing process is very complicated. But don't worry, our company was established in 2011, and we have more than 10 years experiences to develop and research and producing product. So if you have any idea, PLS, feel free to let me know. We can come true your idea and send you perfect product.